Boom! Dan Mafia represent for a thing name, a whole new world. March 13, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dan Mafia, Maca Diamond, Merciless, Lime Murray, G Mac, Regalax, Prime Suspect. You know, say IM3 Zoom link, live streaming, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere on the internet. And you know, so that one you have free concert for the fans them. So make sure you know, log in and enjoy yourself, cause March 13, you know, you don't know, say thing I go loud, you know, it I go turn up, you know, it I go buck, you know. What me say? Man!
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
So for the past couple of days, a video has been making the rounds on social media. And the video shows a group of men jumping out of a vehicle and shoot up a yard. But if that wasn't bad enough, in the end of the shootout, what we see in the video made it extremely sad. A young child was right in the vicinity where the shooting go on. And people, all me can say is, thank God, none of the bullets them never stray and end up hitting this child. Now, the shooting incident was a serious one. And it happened in a Montego area, allegedly. Now, Flitters boss, aka Ragarugi, a plead to the youth them. As you know, Flitters always a plead and a cry out to the youth them. Say, Ewa, changes, peace, no more violence. Flitters a send a message to the youth them and mobay again. Make we take a listen.
Montego beer, Montego beer, Montego beer, me love or no. All of the youth them a Montego beer. Seeing land, the whole of Montego beer. The whole of Montego beer me attack. Me love or no. Here we go on now Montego beer. The whole of the youth them. Please me I beg on for once. One time me I beg on. Just finish it now. Finish it now, Montego Bay. Make bygone be bygone. Please, Montego Bay. I pay a good youth of the Montego Bay now. I may talk to the two side them. Please, make it done here now. Please, Montego Bay. Make it done here now. Because guess what now? The whole on a good youth. You know what I mean on a good youth? On not hurt the little baby. On not hurt the baby. And I'm glad the little baby not hurt. I'm glad the little baby not hurt. And here I go on Montego Bay. It's right there, sir. Where the little baby there on up and down. I don't talk to my management team. After that, I talk to Vigilante and make him know, sir, this up. The first concert I keep, the first peace concert, me I come right there, sir. Come make the youth them know, sir, you are oneness, a peace and love, a happiness, a one black love where I did Montego Bay. Please, me I beg you now. Me could done it now, man. No more gun here now, man. No more gun, Montego Bay. All of the youth them, please, if you don't want gun, don't turn police and soldier and security. And me I beg on up, Jamaica, listen this carefully. Respect the police and soldier them at Jamaica. Because if them never done there, I paid up with their yard. And stop this the police and the soldier them. Please, love the police and the soldier them. Jamaica, please me I beg on up. When we are to come together as one. And when Jamaica turn foreign, more Jamaica turn foreign. More Jamaica turn foreign now. Too much killing a go on brethren. And on a self on a kill out. On a family, on a sister, on a brother, on a cousin, on a niece Jamaica. Please, no more killing brethren. No more little baby, nothing dead. Montego baby, I beg on up. Just make it done it now, brethren. I'm glad I never hurt the baby. I'm glad I never hurt the baby. So I know there's some good youth, you know. Brother, on a star, you know. Every youth of Montego be a star, brother. On our prime minister, on our big entertainer, on our artist, on our police, on our soldier, on our doctor, on our lawyer, youth, on our talent, just make it deal with love, no brethren. Montego be the first foreign, no brethren. Make it get back the place, no brother. So long war go on, brother. Everybody that's scared from war go on. The foreigner them now come in, brother. So the food that slope. So brother, we could come together and join in one love. And make we have a peace party and know say we have money tell money we a party and a pure love and pure unity. The whole of Montego Bay me attack, brother. The two side them, brother. Finish it, brother. No call on the enemy and make the money know. So you know what? We could done this now for once, brother. Montego Bay me a beg on now. Me love on you in a youth. My bad for you, you know. I love me love on you in a youth. I care for you in a youth. Me care for you, no brother. Just me could done the thing, no brother. Me could deal with love for once, no man. Put on the gun, no man. Just put on the gun for one, no more gun, brother. On no brother are dead, on no sister are dead, brother. Please, Jamaica, please, me could live up, brother. Me could done the war and stop kill out yourself. Please, Jamaica, me I beg on for once. And the Prince attack, Montego Bay, a one love, a oneness. Me love or no, me love or no. Peace. No more killing, no more killing, no more killing, no more funeral, no more black people not for dead. Please, Montego Bay.
Alright, so we hear what Flitters boss have to say. And we just can hope that the youth them of Jamaica take heed and try to make a difference in them community. Talk to me down below in the comment section, people. Let me hear what I have to say pertaining to that. Alright? Now, we are going to stick on the artists them of Jamaica. You have some artists where do some good enough. And them no make a spectacle of it. Them no highlight it everywhere for everybody knows that them a do good enough. Right? But Unstoppable TV now go only talk about the negative. We have to talk about the positive where the artists them do too. And the artist where I do some positive right now is Hawkeye. You remember me featuring on Star Reason a couple Tuesdays ago. Hawkeye help out with a little school at Jamaica when need some help. The first video where Hawkeye put out was because the young lady affiliated with the school contacted Hawkeye and explained to him that people destroy the school, them are breaking and a thief things and the property just look down. Hawkeye jumping and assisted. This is the first video where Hawkeye put out. Take a look.
Shibboleth. You know this is Hawkeye full of metaphors and simile. All my fans, my ACs, my fridges, my supporters. I want to say good afternoon, to you all. And I'm reaching out to you all out there. Today I'm at a school in Golden Grove, St. Anne, called Little Angel Academy. Little Angels Academy, right? Okay. Now, this is a school which teaches children with special needs. Special children. Special children need special attention. All right? And I'm also here to make a contribution. Because the owner of this school actually called me, someone I know years ago. Not really vent, but say all the things that need to be said in based on the school and what support they need and stuff like that. So I decided that I was gonna come down here. At the same time, I also get the motivation from a gentleman who have the same name like me. Him come like an angel in disguise. His name is Christopher Smith, and he's in Montreal, but from one of the Caribbean countries. You see me I say? So this is a school that we're looking at. It's where play is the beginning of knowledge. And these special kids need knowledge. They need an opportunity like any other students or any other children who are regular children without no disability, without no special anything. You understand? So here we are, and I'm standing beside
the PTA
the
president.
PTA president.
Yes.
Her name, of course, is
Aisha Wilson.
Aisha Wilson.
Yes.
Okay. So she's gonna walk me through the school, basically. I mean, look at the ground. I'm just showing a little about the ground. I mean, we need to build up a fence, a gate for the school. We need a school. I mean, I've gotten complaint how much them break down. This is the front door we're entering anyway. How every time she build up, you have people come break down like it's them provide and a them put up and a them give. Now this is our classroom, just to be very quick on this, So I don't know joke thing around here, so it's also another part. Yes. Teachers' desk and here you have the blackboard, roofing. Around here is a classroom, and this door over here, which I'm showing, is the one with them tear down. You see me I say? See that? Mash it up, tear it down, come in and come take out everything. They also raid the kitchen, I get to understand. Yep. Take out the fridge. take out the stove, all of them something that, I mean, and these are children that are very small, have special needs and need special attention. And this is what our nation doing to the little kids in our nation. Now me just decide, so boy, you know, me I come and, you know, make a step, because if I make a step, I know I can influence others to also contribute and make a step. Yes, me I say, because this is something that we need to support. This is something that we need to put at the forefront.
We need it, because
right?
I have 2 kids coming here.
All right, you see it. So I shall have 2 children coming here. So around here now, basically, well, see, the yard, the whole yard here is going to need fencing, because if we don't fence it, the owners them will continue to come in here and take out them equipment where them put in. Right? Here we have the children urinal, sorry, and the bathroom. Around here now is a playground. But you see, right here is all bush and stuff. It also needs to be fenced, you know, so just I do, you know, make my contribution. I mean, we're looking forward to other people to making their contribution also, you know, so this is just a start for me, basically, you know.
So after Hawkeye released that video, persons pour in the contributions for help out. And after them do that, Hawkeye turn over the contributions and, you know, do a little fixer up for the school. But even though him do what him could have do, there is still much more need to be done in our people. Make we give you an update on the way the school look right now. See it here.
Greetings, 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 my lovely people. This is Hawkeye, yours truly, skibbity bye, shibbly shibbly, a wood of a rump word. And remember, see it here again now, people are come going to update the 2021 update on over there. So you see the L, little, and over here, so A, Angels Academy. And to let you see and know how the donation go. You see me I say, no waste man thing, it's not a waste. See, we have the gate. Oh my God, God is great. Look at that. We have gate now, yeah. So let me just pull it and go in and show you what go on. You see me I say? Yeah man, over here, so we have, you know, little sanitizing thing for wash your hand for the children them. Yes. People, see the fence there, fencing. No normal, you see me I say? Yes. I tell you boy, I tell you, I just want to say a lot of thanks, you know, to all of you who contributed, and we're still looking forward to more contribution. Over here, based on COVID now, you find out say we have to have a quarantine room for the children, and see it there, build up and paint, looking beautiful. Honestly, all me surprised, me just feel good. Me can't tell how much I feel good. Yeah. See it here now, people. This is the original building. Yeah, behind me here. So, you know, as we go along, you saw it paint up looking nice. Children them ready for come to school. What them feel like. We still need one more classroom anyway, and I'm gonna show you where that's supposed to go. Alright. See steps. You see everything well social distance. You see it? Yes, everything. This is the entrance of the classroom. Can take a look inside for you people to see. You remember when I came down here first, saw them did vandalize in here and now in here still. Look at it now. You see? All of this. This is the children's table. You see me I say? With the office. We need another classroom over there though. Over here so now is another classroom. See there? Yeah. Everything up and running again. We get the door, we get the windows. See them have a little bed over there just in case if a child don't feel so well. Then put them to rest. You see me I said? Yes. We still go around the place now. I'm doing this one quick and sharp because I don't want to make it too long. Over here, you see, playing ground. You have the children and playground there. Over there, so now you have the little swing song thing. Yes, them little swing song. I think here, wow, is the bathroom. Well, the urinal, really. Oh, see, here's so now kind of set up nicely. The urinal. And this part over here, where the children can urinate. I think this is the toilet, but this part is closed, can't get in. But it's okay, I'm sure. In there is looking nice. So we'll take our time, come around us now. This is where we need to build our another classroom. Right? We need an extra classroom because based on COVID, you know that the students have to have more room in order so they can, you know, social distance and stuff like that. Here's another sanitizing area, you know, face basin. You know, the sanitizing thing gonna go here. And you know, say, you know, you have your, so cleanliness is godliness. I see around here, I think, whoa, the fence go all the way down there. That's nice, you know. So right here where I'm standing, going to need another classroom. So we're looking for more contributions. Please to remember that you can contact Hawkeye on Instagram at Hawkeye Music 1 on Instagram, also Facebook Hawkeye Music 1. You know my number already, 1-876-350-0748. 1-876-350-0748, and I will give you the directions on how to send the money, whatever the case is. All right. So now the fly up the quarantine room for me to see what go on around here. You see it? People wanna see it. Money well spent. No joke thing. Money well spent. Oh my, I feel so good. I'm so elated right now, you know, to know that when I came here the first time and had a look at this place, you know, based on where the who one of them who feel like said them who own this place, do with it, vandalize it and all these things. And see, with the help of the Almighty and all those who contributed from Canada to USA, all of my friends and what I know will send them contribution, you know. And all the people in the local, you know, I mean, here in Jamaica that makes their contribution and stuff like that. I am so honestly proud and grateful for all of your contribution, and I'm looking forward to more contribution. This is Little Angels Academy in Golden Grove. It's in Golden Grove, St. Ann. And we just want to say thank you, a big thank you very much to all who contribute. And you don't know, we still look forward to more contribution. One love. Peace. I'm out until next time. See the rain a fall. I can't tell you. Be a rain on a Santana. I'm wet up. But this was worth it. Wet or no wet, you know some have to come and make that one happen. Good sweat. Me like it. Big up on yourself. Remember, link me on Instagram, Hawkeye Music 1, or you can contact me 1-876-350-0748. Also, Hawkeye Music 1 on Facebook. Contact me. We need contribution. We need more. Classroom need to go by a certain time. We're under inspection. We want to meet the inspection date. Big up on yourself. You don't know.
So me have to say good look, right? Me like what Hawkeye do. And more artists need to jump in and do things like this. So people, if you want to assist in, you know, the renovation of the school and helping out, you know, giving a little helping hand, you can do so. Alright, the information is going to be down in the description. If you want to assist, you can reach out to the information that will be down in the description of this video. Alright, talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about what Hawkeye do for Little Angels School. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where are we at one? Hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.